Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's episode, I'm gonna be showing you how to turn off save on flip diving. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So the first thing to do is to open the flip diving application on your device, and after you are inside this main home page, tap on the gear icon at the bottom left. Now, you will come across this option where you'll be able to see the Save Me button. Simply tap on Save Me in order to turn off the flip diving save. When you miss a dive in flip diving, the game prompts you to retry the level or watch the ads. By simply toggling off the Save Me option, you will be able to avoid the retry level. So that's how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again with the next video. Thank you for watching.